is our goal. I don't see anything, so I'm pretty sure it's all gone. Alright guys, so nice view, but there used to be some hot tubs up here. I don't think there's very much up here anymore. I think they took them all out.
Oh, and this is the path to it.
Yeah. Oh, look, there's the lake. Now, I'm sorry guys, it's probably a little windy today. I'm kind of just doing this free-handed, no special equipment, no mic, nothing. So forgive me if it's a little bouncy. Oh yeah, here's the old parking lot.
Like go sweating down there.
Yeah, this might even be a leftover hot tub. We'll check it out right now. Guys, I think this might be one of them right here. Is it? Oh, they broke out the glass. Of course they had to do that. Is it? What do you guys think? No, it's not. Darn it. I was hoping this was going to be one of the hot tubs. Yeah, I guess we're too late, guys. There's not much left of anything here. You're not too close. But yeah, this whole side, you can see where some of the railing was. I mean, this was supposed to be all hot tubs. And was hot tubs up until, I think it was 2015 or 16. Couldn't find very much information on why. Yeah. Couldn't find too much information on why the place closed down. I did see one comment of somebody saying that it closed down because of a outbreak. I'll flash up on the screen exactly what that is. Yeah, pictures. But other than that, can't really find too much else on why the place closed down. Yeah, well, what I'm thinking, this was probably like a little water fountain.
Yeah. Like right there, probably been a water fountain. All around these sides is fountain.
Exactly.
Daddy, I need your help.
Yeah, look at, we're close to the road, so we can't get spotted. All right, yeah, so this little thing is nothing. I think it's just restrooms. Yeah, we're not gonna hang out here too much longer.
Yeah.
All right. Let's go on back. We're gonna see if we can find anything else. There's really nothing else here. But we can hear hear the wind. I think they're just bathrooms. You could hear something banging around in there. All right, guys. So all I really know is, other than, you know, this place closing down because of you know, a so-called, you know, flash up on the screen outbreak. The only other thing I could find on this place is they were in, no pun intended, but hot water with the county because of the way they were getting rid of their chlorinated water. They were getting rid of it as gray water, which is chlorinated. You can't really use it for watering plants, and that's what the this county or the city uses as their source of watering the plants. So other than that, I couldn't find any other reason why this place closed down. I don't know if it's because of you know, they were dumping their water in a way that the city or the county didn't like. I did, however, find a cleanup court order dated for 2 months back. So again, guys, we're pretty late. Actually, not pretty late. We just missed it. So that just goes to show, guys, when you guys find something, you guys are planning to explore it, don't sit on it for years and years like I did. You know, I could have came out here beginning of the year and I would have got everything. But yeah, it's gone. Oh well. Well, guys, it's that typical story, being a day late or a dollar short. We're definitely more than a day late, and we're more than a dollar short.
It's a fail.
Fail. Oh well, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. We've heard that plenty of times on this channel. And you know, unlike most other channels, I show you guys my failures, you know, along with everything else that I accomplished. So obviously this one's going down as a fail. But you know, hey, we still had a good 10-15 minutes worth of fun finding this spot. Took a little tiny little hike up here. Took a few pictures. So you know, it was worth it. Got to spend some time with my girls. Can't ask for more than that. So yeah, I think we're all good here, guys. Not sure when I'm going to release this. Hopefully soon. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bartender, Coors Light, please.